that you can enjoy very nice program setting for you. Okay. Happy Teachers Day again.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Gu means darkness, Ru means destroyed. Guru means destroyer of darkness. The ones who lead us path of light, restrain all darkness. From our life is Guru. Good morning everyone. Say loudly, good morning. A warm welcome to all of you. Good morning Principal Ma'am and Coordinator Sir and my lovable student, dear parents. Life is incomplete without love. Success is incomplete without failures. A teacher is incomplete without student. Teaching is loving a distance of oneself in the development of another. And the student is a bank where you can deposit your most precious treasures. I on behalf Little Star Play School and DP Model Public School wish you happy Teachers Day. Wish you happy Teachers Day. We miss you a lot. Due to the pandemic situation, we are not able to celebrate together. We will really miss you a lot. Parents, please mute your audio and switch off your video. Parents, please mute your audio and switch off your video. As you know, Teachers Day is observed on the 5th September after Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Before becoming the President of India, he was a teacher and so declared his birthday is after Teachers Day. We observe Teachers Day every year, 5th September. So children, do you know who our first teacher? Yes, parents is our first teacher. Yes. Parents is your first teacher. So all of you ready with the flowers? Now offering the flowers with parents' feet. Okay children? After the celebration, you send a video offering the flowers and parents' feet. Now we have so a play Guru Dakshina. Okay children? Now we have small play Guru Dakshina. Let's see what happened in the play.
In the ancient days, there were no schools or colleges. There were ashrams where the disciples used to stay and learn from their guru. So, here is a story about a guru and his disciples. Long time ago lived a guru named Guru Chaitanya in his ashram, and he had 4 disciples.
Pranam Guruji. Students, now all your learnings are completed.
You all may go to your homes now.
Guruji, before we all leave, we want to give you something as Guru Dakshina. Yes, Guruji, kindly say us, what do you need? Yes, Guruji, tell us what you want as Guru Dakshina.
Okay, I have my daughter's marriage in some days. If you all want to give me something, then bring me something that I can use in the marriage. But remember one thing, while you are getting the things for me, no one should watch you. You should be alone.
Okay, Guruji.
Next day, all students came with something or the other.
So, what have you brought for Guruji? I have brought a sari. And what have you brought? I have brought some utensils. And what have you brought for Guruji? I have brought some fruits and sweets. But where is Madhav? Yes, where is he? He has not come. Look, Madhav is coming. But what happened to him? Yes, what happened, Madhav?
All students had brought something or the other except Madhav. Madhav had nothing with him.
Madhav, what have you brought for Guruji? Why are you so sad, Madhav? What happened to you? Pranam, Guruji.
So, have you all brought the things?
Yes, Guruji.
What have you brought?
I have brought a sari.
And you? What have you brought?
I have brought some utensils.
And you? Have you also bought something? What have you brought for me?
Guruji, I have brought some fruits and sweets for you.
And Madhav? What have you brought, Madhav?
I have not brought anything, Guruji.
Why?
I didn't get any time when I was completely alone. Somebody was watching me always.
What? In 24 hours, you didn't get a single moment when you were alone?
No, Guruji, I didn't get a single moment when I was alone because my inner conscience was watching me always. I could not hide from myself, so I could not get anything, Guruji.
Well done. You are the only one who has received my proper teachings and given me the appropriate dakshina. I do not need anything. It was a test for you all, and only Madhav qualified it. Remember, students, we are never alone. Our inner conscience is always watching us. We may think that no one is there and we can commit mistakes. But it is not the fact. No one may be there, but we are watching ourselves.
So children, remember, whenever you are thinking that no one is watching us, we can do mistakes or no one knows, we can lie, it is wrong, because our conscience is always watching us. God is always seeing us. We ourselves know whether we are doing right or wrong. When you are lying to someone or cheating someone, remember, first of all, you are cheating yourself and God. So never lie or cheat anyone.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Deva Maheshwara.
Tathastu.
So children, what we learned from the play? We learned that there may not be anyone around us looking at us, but God and our inner self is always with us and watching us. So we should never lie or cheat anyone and be honest always, because honest is the best policy. I hope you all enjoyed our today's program. Let's pray God to normalize the situation so that we can celebrate Children's Day together. Don't go outside, maintain proper hygiene, stay home, stay safe. Bye and thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Bye Teachers Day.
Children, have you enjoyed the play? Give your answers in the message so that we could know that how you have enjoyed and what you have learned from the play. Again, thank you children, thank you parents for all of your support and cooperation even in this pandemic situation. And again, I hope that we all will meet soon and we all will celebrate all the programs together. Let's pray God that November 14th, Children's Day, will be celebrated together. Thank you all. Bye. Have a nice day and a happy Teachers' Day again. Thank you.